Hello my internet friends, John Gibson here with I Need Examples. In this example I will cover the Excel weekday function. There is a link to the Excel file I am using in this example in the description below. The Excel weekday function returns the day of the week corresponding to a date. The day is given as an integer ranging from 1, which is Sunday by default, to 7, which is Saturday by default. The Excel weekday has one argument, the serial number or date value, and an optional argument, the return type. The return type argument determines how the value is returned. By default, the return type is 1, which returns a value of 1 through 7, Sunday through Saturday. Other values that are accepted in the return type are listed in the description below. These values will set the starting day of the week. For example, a return type of 2 will have return values of 1 through 7, where 1 represents Monday and 7 represents Sunday. In our first example, I will show you the basics of the weekday function using different return types. In the Excel worksheet, I have dates in column A, the textual value of the day in column B, and I want the weekday results in column C through E. Column C is our default weekday, Sunday through Saturday. In column D, we will be using the return type 11 to set our starting day on Monday. And in column E, we will be using the return type 16 to set our starting day of the week on Saturday. So in cell C2, our formula will be equals weekday, open parentheses, A2, close parentheses. There, our weekday value has been set with each value representing a day of the week between Sunday through Saturday. For column D, we will add our return type and have our weekday start on Monday. So our formula will be equals weekday, open parentheses, A2, comma 11, close parentheses. There, now you can see that the values in column C and D are different because the day of the week for each column starts on a different day. When we add our formula to column E, equals weekday, open parentheses, A2, comma 16, close parentheses, our values are set for the day of the week starting on Saturday. In our practical example, let's say we are running a hotel and our weekend rates are different than our weekday rates. For this example, we will use November as the month we wish to see the rates and to highlight the weekends. To do this, I have created a parameter table. The values set are week start equals 2. The 2 will represent the return type, which can be referenced in my return type table. The value 2 will start my week on Monday and end it on Sunday, with Monday being 1 and Sunday being 7. We have our weekday rate at $150 and our weekend rate at $185. Lastly, I have added a weekday start, meaning that I want the weekend to start on the 5th day and it will go through the 7th day. In this case, since we are using Monday through Sunday, our weekend will be Friday through Sunday. Now let's create our formula to get our rates. We will also be using the if function. I have added a link to the if function video in the description below. In my hotel rates table, I have a date column in column A, the day of the week in column B, and I want the rate to be displayed in column C. In cell C3, let's add our formula. Equals if, open parentheses, weekday, open parentheses, A3, comma, $F, $3, close parentheses, greater or equal to $F, $6, comma, $F, $5, comma, $F, $4, close parentheses. The if statement is looking for a weekday value greater than or equal to the value in F6, which is 5. If the logic is true, then we know we have a weekend, and the formula will display $185, the value in F5. If the value is false, then a $150 rate will be used, the value in F4. Great, now we have our rates. Let's go another step and add some formatting to our hotel rates so we can easily find our weekends. We will use conditional formatting here. Let's select the cells we wish to format, in this case cells A3 through C32. Now click on Home and click on Conditional Formatting. Click on New Rule and choose Use a Formula to determine which cells to format option. Now we will enter our formula. Equals weekday, open parentheses, $A3, comma, $F, $3, close parentheses, is greater or equal to $F, $6. We are testing to see if the weekday is greater or equal to F6, which in this case is 5. Now click on Format and choose a fill color, and click on OK. Let's click on OK again. There, our weekends are now color-coded. To show how all the variables and formatting work together, we can change some of our parameters. Let's say we want our week to start on Tuesday. We could change our week start to 12. There, as you can see, our week is now Saturday through Monday. Our conditional formatting is changed to highlight the new weekend, and our rates have changed for those dates. Let's change our weekend day start to 4 so we can pick up Friday. Perfect. Now we have a 4-day weekend, Friday through Monday, with our rates at $185. Lastly, let's change our weekend rate to $175. Great. Now we have our November hotel rates set and we are ready for business. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Comment below if you would like to see examples on a specific topic. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.